Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, it's very excited to show you guys how to get more and more tokens for free and more exciting events that we should take note in Huobi platform. Let's stay tuned. As we know, before I continue this topic, I just want to let you know we have some incident regarding on Malaysian side on the Binance platform, whereas Binance are getting banned. Seems like they are getting banned from SEC Malaysia. So whether or not this will take place this week or the next coming weeks, we wouldn't know, because I actually asked the Binance to give more information about this, but they seems to say that wait for the latest update from Binance. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait. But let's say if traders outside or investors outside that are invested in Binance for quite some time and you guys have afraid because of regarding on these SEC comments that they are gonna ban Binance in Malaysia, what you guys can do is either you guys can transfer your coin to other exchanges, or maybe just wait for the update. If you want to transfer, you can either transfer back to your wallet for most of the safety reasons, or you can even transfer to other exchanges like those top exchanges. One of the top exchanges we can find is the if we look at CoinMarketCap, we can see that the second and the third one is Coinbase and Huobi Global. So I'm very recommended you guys as a Malaysian to look at Huobi Global, because Huobi Global is one of the top 3 biggest exchanges in worldwide, and also Huobi has a lot to offer in terms of events and also free tokens. As my previous video, I actually shows you guys about the Olympic Challenge event where you guys can earn up to 150,000 worth of USDT. So the event is very simple. I actually explain, you just need to register an account and then you get the chance to play this game, and also other things like activate the tradings and also daily spot trading of 500 USDT and also all the way to 2000. So by playing all these tasks, you can actually get a free chance to play this Huobi Olympic Challenge by just clicking this play, and then it will randomly select the ring for you. So if you have collected enough ring, you will get a chance to win up to 3000 USDT all the way to a random price range. So this is the last week event. If you guys haven't joined it, remember to join it. It's free. You don't need to do anything much. And the new event that we've been released today by Huobi is surprising very interesting. Why? Because this one is actually from Huobi Global, whereby you can actually search for this new event from here, where it shows the DFA departs on Prime Pool. So once you have clicked on it, basically you can actually lock your Huobi token and also your Ethereum with Prime Pool to get up to 2.25 million of DFA token. So what is DFA token? Is actually one of the new tokens that are going to be listing in Huobi Global. There will be no price yet on DFA, so it's better than nothing, right? What you need to do is you need to get your Ethereum or your Huobi token to be locked in the staking pool. So once you have locked it, after the 7 days, you will get a random of DFA token. So very simple. You can see that the starting of this event will be launched by today, which is August 2nd. Locking Huobi token and also Ethereum with Prime Pool can get you a share of 2.25 million DFA new token that will be released soon on the Huobi Trading Zone. And the requirement is very easy. You just need to lock a minimum 1 Huobi token or a minimum of 0.1 Ethereum of Huobi token. So maximum locking is no limit, it's flexible. So basically is you just stick whatever Ethereum and Huobi token as you want in the Prime Pool, and it will give you the DFA token in return after the 7 days. So max reward by locking, you will gain 250,000 DFA, or maybe 110,000 DFA by locking in Ethereum and Huobi token. So all these notes and all this notification and news can be found in Huobi website. So I'll put down the link below if you guys want to look at it more. And you can see that each locked Huobi token in Ethereum, whereas their amount locked total will be randomly taken every 24 hours for the reward calculation. You can see this is the lock tiers, and reward calculation will be here. So let's say, for example, one day of the first event, only user A and only user B participate. So user A lock about 4,000 Huobi token, and also user B lock about 6,000. In this case, the reward of user A should receive on the first day is 4,000 multiplied by 1, which is 4,000. Then divide by 4,000 multiplied by 1, then plus additional 5,000 multiplied by 1 plus 6,000 minus by 5,000, then multiply by 0.8, and then overall it multiplied by 250,000 DFA. So in return, I calculate this is you will get assumption around 200,000 worth of DFA, yeah, more or less. But that is only if there is 2 users participate in this event. But let's say if there's more, then the calculation should be more. So nonetheless, I would say that this is free because you just need to lock and then you will gain some rewards. So I think most of the investors outside, or most of the traders outside, especially the long-term traders or the long-term investors, we call it the hodler. So the hodler will usually hold their coins long enough in the exchange, hoping that one day the Ethereum or the Huobi token or whatsoever token would rise in 10x or 20x or 100x in future. Most of them, they will keep their token in the wallet safely, and most of them will wait till the time comes. So while waiting, you can actually stake your token, which we call the proof of staking, whereby you can actually stake your token, and then every day you will gain some rewards. So let's say if you stake, example, ADA, you will gain a reward in ADA. Let's say if you stake Ethereum, you will gain in Ethereum. But this is different. This is if you stake in Ethereum, you will gain DFA. So whether or not this DFA, when it starts to release in tradings in Huobi platform, whether or not the price will go $1 or $2, or maybe the starting price is 0.1 cents, nobody knows. But it's very, very interesting to see that when you just stake and then you gain something for free, let's say this token for free, DFA for free, who knows, one day the token itself can go up to $1 or $2, and then you suddenly just get rich for no reason. So just go and check it out. It's very, very interesting, especially those who are going to migrate from Binance all the way to Huobi. And this is one of the events that you can take note, and then also the Olympic event that you can take note. So let's go on with the example here. Let's say if you click to lock, basically once you click it, they will actually link you to another website whereby you can actually seize the lock Ethereum to get DFA, or lock Huobi token to get DFA. So basically, let's say if you have Ethereum in your wallet, so basically you just click view events and you can just lock any amount of your Ethereum here. And also you can say that there's 0.1 Ethereum minimum to lock, and you can see all the staking rules required. It's only 7 days, 2 August all the way to 9 August. So during the events, the locked Ethereum will be counted towards the holding snapshot. So the locked Ethereum will be automatically released to the users, exchanged after the campaign ends, and the return rate was shown on the page is for reference only. So the DFA reward distribution time will be subject to the official announcement. Based on my opinion, I think this is the 2 events that are quite interesting. Why? Because it's free. You don't need to do anything. You just need to register the account. You just need to put in Ethereum. You need to just migrate whatever thing you have from other platform to this platform, and then you just do your staking as usual as what you do in Binance or what you do in other platform. And in return, you get free USDT for Olympic event and free DFA token from this staking event. Go and check it out. If you want to know more about it, I will presumably put down the link below. And I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.